The TwoOases 2500W Handheld Steam Cleaner efficiently tackles stubborn dirt and grime with its high pressure and temperature steam, making it an excellent tool for deep cleaning. With a user-friendly touchscreen featuring 6 levels of steam adjustment, this steam cleaner offers customizable cleaning options to suit various surfaces and cleaning needs. Equipped with an 1100 milliliter water tank, this portable steamer ensures prolonged cleaning sessions without frequent refills, enhancing your cleaning productivity. The inclusion of 3 different brushes and a flexible design allows for targeted cleaning on diverse surfaces, from stoves to tiles, ensuring thorough cleanliness. This versatile steam cleaner is adept at handling a wide range of cleaning tasks, from kitchens to cars, providing a comprehensive solution for household and vehicle maintenance. The package includes essential attachments and a responsive customer service, ensuring a supportive and efficient cleaning experience.